Hello! So today's video, as I promised, I'm going to try out this waiver that I received by INH, aka insert name here, which is an American hair company. So they gifted me this waiver and also this ponytail extension, and I already reviewed this ponytail on my channel. I will link the video in the description. So don't forget to check out this video also. And again, thank you so much for insert name here for this video. And it's going to be an honest review. I never tried this hair tool, so let's see how it works. And also make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching. So here is the waiver. As you can see, it comes with this huge box in this very nice peachy pink color. So is the insert waves here, the waiver, and on the side it says the best wave you ever had. This is the waiver. It came in this bubble wrap, and it came with this heat resistant gloves in this peachy pink color. It's very nice, so you can use this one with the waiver. So here is the waiver. It's very big. The handle is white. On the side is the insert name here logo, and it has a digital screen. It actually reminds me of the Babyliss kind of hair tools, and it came with the USA plug, which is not good for me because I'm not from America, but it's okay because I already got my adapter for this one. So now I give you some information about this waiver. Say hi to the very first INH hair tool. She's hot AF. So the heat plates are thermaline ceramic glaze. The color is actually salmon pink with the white grip handle. So the waiver heats up quick, allows you to control the temperature, and goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to read digital screen and heat protective glove included. And it says good hair days don't include burns. And it's compatible with the US Canadian outlets, and it also has a 1-year manufacturer warranty. And this waiver is retails around €65. And by the way, I have a coupon code what you can use for your purchase for 15% off. So if you are thinking about getting this waiver, then please make sure to use my coupon code. Now let's try it. But before I try this waiver, then first I prepare my hair. And also I'm going to use some hairstyling products before I use the waiver. So I think when you are using this type of heat tools, then I think it's very important to use something on your hair before you use the hair tool. So first I'm going to use some styling mousse. And this is the Nivea Ultra Strong Panthenol and Vitamin B3 styling mousse. Normally I don't use styling mousse because it's kind of very sticky and feels too heavy on my hair, but now it's very important to use some kind of styling product. So yeah. Wow, it is a lot. I'm just going to use this one on my hair length. I don't really like to use mousse, but now I have to. And now I brush it through a little bit. And actually my hair doesn't feel that sticky, so it's good. And I also use this heat protection spray. And this is the Sios Keratin Heat Spray. Of course, I'm going to use some heat protection on my hair. It's very important. First, I let my hair air dry while it's heating up. So basically, you have to put your hair like this, and it's going like this and this and this. I never used anything like this before, so this one is really new to me. but I guess it's very easy to use. We are using this type of plugs, so yeah, it's actually good. So now let's put this in. So now it's heating up. So the temperature is in Fahrenheit, which is not really good for me, but it's okay. I can Google it. So now it's in a 390 degree. It's very hot. It's very hot. Usually I use my straightener around like 200 Celsius. Now I am going to section my hair. So I am ready. So first I'm going to start with this piece on the back. So basically I open and I put my hair in there and I clap it, and I guess you have to use the heat resistant glove. Wow. Okay. Wow, so cute. So here is the first one. It's not perfect, but now let's do the other one. First I'm going to brush my hair. Put the waver like this. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, I'm going to use the gloves because now it's very hot. And you, a little bit you put like this. You go to the other one. You wait a little bit, not too long. Wow, look. So beautiful. Okay, I'm going to use the heat resistant glove because I just burned myself. So I highly recommend to use this one. So I just continue this piece. And okay. Okay, and wow, it's amazing. Look, oh my god, it's like a real mermaid look. Okay, I do this piece again because it was not, the first one was not that perfect. So, and you have to a little bit like push it up your hair. Go to another one. I have a very small hand, it's so hard to like hold it. Okay, so wow, look. I make sure I brush my hair before I put my hair between the waver. Woo! So as you can see, the difference is the wavy one. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, now I speed it up a little bit because I have a very long hair, so yeah. so I am ready. I am absolutely obsessed with these waves, like really like a mermaid look, and it worked so fast on my long hair. Wow, I really love it. So what do you think about this waver? So yeah, I am really happy with the result. And again, I want to say thank you for insert name here for these products. I really like them, and yeah, I highly recommend to get one of these waver. Naturally, I have a very wavy hair, but wow, it's a different look. And also make sure to use my coupon code if you want to purchase this waver or the ponytail. But I also want to say that you have to be very careful with this tool, especially when you holding the waver near to your face. It's very dangerous if you go very closely on your face, because it's very big, so you have to be very careful with this one. And make sure to use these heat resistant gloves when you're using this waver. It's really important. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please make sure to like this video if you did, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.